Welcome to our channel. If you want to make your DVD player region-free using unlock codes, follow these step-by-step instructions to play DVDs from any region, though availability varies by model. Step 1. Identify your DVD player's exact model number by checking the label on the back or bottom of the device or in the user manual. Step 2. Search online for region-free codes specific to your DVD player model by entering the model number and region-free code in a search engine. Step 3. Ensure your DVD player is powered on with no disk in the tray, as most unlock procedures require an empty player. Step 4. Use your remote control to enter the specific button sequence displayed in the code instructions, which typically involves a combination of menu buttons and numbers. Step 5. Watch for an on-screen message or menu that confirms you have entered the service or region code mode successfully. Step 6. Enter the region code you want to set or select 0 for region-free playback if your model supports this option. Step 7. Exit the service menu by pressing the appropriate button as instructed, then power cycle the player by turning it off and on again. Step 8. Test the player with a DVD from a different region to verify that the region-free code has been successfully applied. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.